So the first thing you want to do to hook this up is first you got to pull it out of there. So if any of you stole car radios to try and, I guess you know exactly what I'm talking about. So it just comes out like this, and then you got a bunch of wires, and this is your antenna. Don't do like me, because I thought this was the power. So if I understood everything properly, is that you got just a few wires. The red and the yellow are both for power. So apparently you gotta snip those two, and then you gotta join these together. And then the black, hopefully, is ground. Now I got this power adapter, this 12 volt power adapter. I'm just gonna cut this off. How do you know which is plus and minus on this thing after you've cut the tip? If you look closely, you can see stripes, white stripes, and that's the positive wire. The more you know, and that's it for the power. After that, I don't know. I gotta figure out which of these are speakers. You can see this is green. If I turn off the power, turns off. So it's plugged back in. Got this connected to this speaker and the power. So if I put the cassette player back in, should have a working system again. I am really tired of listening to this tape. So, thanks for watching. Why didn't I bring other tapes? Why did I just bring one tape? Obviously, I get tired of listening to this thing.